How's it going? Welcome to another All About RVs. I'm Jared Gillis, and today we have a handful of RV tours lined up for you. When we were in the Tampa area, we were at Lazy Days, and we went through a dizzying amount of RVs and just walking through them and touring them and checking a bunch out. And so today I have a handful that kind of stood out to us and were unique. And so I thought I would share some highlights of those with you guys today. With so many RVs that you're able to walk through, it's almost like an RV show without the hustle and bustle of the RV show, but we're able to go through them at our own pace. And so we walked through some of the RVs that we weren't even considering buying, but seeing different elements and different things that you like can kind of help shape what you're looking for. So let's start off with a front kitchen Montana. This one here is a Montana. It's a 3820 FK, so it's got a front kitchen, which is kind of interesting. What really stood out to me on this one is obviously it's a beast of an RV. I mean, it's a large fifth wheel, but that seating area where you have multiple couches where you can invite people over and you're able to have a conversation in a living room is pretty nice. But that shower had tons of headroom. So this bathroom, usually when I take a shower in our RV, like if there wasn't a skylight, I would not fit in the shower. Like my head would hit the ceiling. But in here, look at it. I mean, look how tall it is. It just keeps going. Now, the next one that kind of stood out to us was from the Van Lee line. Now, this is from the Tiffin family. Tiffin, they produce a lot of Class A's and Class C's, but the Tiffin line, they're going to be producing fifth wheels, and this was from their Pinecrest models. The model number was 335 RLP. It has a MSRP value of $68,000. Weighing in at 14,000 for its gross vehicle weight rating, with a length of 34 feet 11 inches. It boasts of a real wood doors with like a white linen cabinetry. And that's kind of what stood out to us as we went through this RV, is just how light the interior was. I do have to say that this feels a little bit more like a home. Like the furniture in the bedroom looks more like dressers rather than your typical RV cabinet. So it just kind of has it's a definitely different feel. And in this main living area, they really put in a ton of windows. So you get more natural light. We don't have any power to turn on the lights, so the light you get is just from the light around coming through the windows. So it's pretty interesting. So we'll see what happens with the Van Lee line and what they end up coming up with as they continue to grow that line of RVs. So let's move on to another one. This one here is an Outlaw, which means it's like a Class A toy hauler. Class A toy hauler, yes. Big, massive doors so you can put whatever toy you want in the back. Let's check this thing out. This one is really different because you could pack a lot of people in here to be able to sleep. I mean, how many beds are in here?
This one.
That drops down, that's a bed. I'm pretty sure this table becomes a bed. And then in the back here is where all the craziness happens. It's rather dark in here, but you got the full bedroom in here. What is that, a queen size bed?
Yep.
Queen size bed, and then up behind this is the loft. It's like a full-on loft area. So much room up here. And what the loft is above is the toy hauler portion, which also has couches and beds down there too. This is the toy hauler portion, and there's a bed over here with a couch and a bed over here and a couch. So you can really sleep a ton of people. Bring as many people as you want on your RV adventure. Like, just go have fun. Oh, and this back actually goes down so that it can be a deck out there. Those can be fun too. Now at this dealership, the Lazy Days dealership in Tampa, they have the Crown Club, which is like its own RV dealership, and it's just full of Class A's, high-end Class A's, and it's just got a ton of tiffins. So we walked through a tiffin that we found had some bunks that would even work for a family. It's the Tiffin Phaeton 40QKH. It's a diesel pusher with an MSRP value of $328,000, and it's a 41-foot, 4-inch Class A. I think this is where I order room service. Map? You could do a... Oh, just a map. Not like a map was gonna show up on the windshield. It's a luxury Class A fit for a family. We obviously aren't in the market for this caliber of an RV, but everything doesn't have to be how big and how extravagant. Look at this little guy. It's just a little micro mini, but it's actually a bunkhouse. So you got the bed in the front and you got the bunks in the back. There's no light, so it's a little dark in here, but you'll get the idea. This one is the 2100 BH. It starts around $20,000, has a gross vehicle weight rating of around 7,000 pounds, and it has everything you need in it to sleep 5 people. Now, the last one we're going to look at is on a very short list of ours of RVs that we would actually consider trading for. And it's the 31 MB. So it's a mid bunk and it's a fifth wheel. So the MSRP value is starting at $45,000. It's 36 feet long and has a gross vehicle weight rating of 11,900. Okay, here's what I liked about this one is the boys' bedroom, really the mid bunk. It's a really good size for this length of an RV. It's 2 feet shorter than we are, coming in at around 36 feet. And so that would be a plus for us. It's got a decent living area. The kitchen, the living, the couch is nice, big pantry. And it doesn't really feel like we'd have to sacrifice much of anything as far as space. A little bit newer, a little bit nicer, a little bit shorter, a little bit lighter. Those all sound like good reasons to get a new rig, doesn't it? Well, maybe someday. I really enjoyed being able to go through the RV dealership without feeling pressured or pushed or rushed. Being able to go through at our own pace and kind of process the RVs and kind of think about them and talk about them as we went through them was very valuable. So if you're in the market for an RV and if you're looking for one, find a place where you don't feel those pressures, so that you can enjoy the process and find an RV that really fits your style so that you can get out there and enjoy it. So I think that's gonna do it for today. If you wanna see more videos about RVing, hit that subscribe button. And if we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you in the next video.
Give me the beat.
We can't do this one. I got no room for the camera. What do you think? How do we look?
You're gonna have to figure out the camera.
And you just broke it.
Break the door.
Comment down below. Give it a thumbs up if you think we should buy this one.
Thumbs up!
You don't know how to get to these cabinets? You just open them. That's all you do, honey.
Yeah,
open it.
sure.
Come on.
Let me try.
Yeah, do it.
Ugh, let me grab something from in there.
I don't know what the problem is. I can touch the back wall. I don't know what your problem is.
You're tall.